I'm gonna have to cut that part out.
Probably. Might be.
Justin is here.
What are you laughing about?
So excited.
Are you?
And the refrigerator. It's black.
Like our other one?
Mm-hmm.
Did you close the door so the dogs don't get out?
Mm-mm. Get out. Just love that.
You do?
How you gonna get this out of there?
Put a dolly on it.
Did you bring that for without us?
I did. I just went and got it.
What were you doing when Daddy went and got that?
I was just watching the TV because I just wanted to ride my bike, not down to the hill. I'm gonna fall, like again, and I'm gonna hurt this knee now.
So you're gonna move this by yourself?
Can I move
I'm gonna
it?
move it by myself. What are you doing?
Can I move it?
I'm filming you moving this.
Can I move it?
How did you even get it back there over that hump?
There's a guy had a dolly.
Oh. Ugh. You want me to go get the dolly?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, everybody, look at it now. Because Justin said he's moving it by himself.
I did?
Well,
I didn't say anything about moving it by myself.
you always amaze me with your strength.
It's not strength.
You don't think it's gonna take strength to get this off of the
Well, yeah, but it's also leverage.
just simple science?
Goodness, I don't butter anywhere. Any butter on my side.
It's got a few dents on the side.
I know, I don't want to do that.
No, it already has them.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, where'd we buy it?
At a denting place, essentially. Oh my gosh. So what are you about to do? Why don't you back your truck up to like right there?
There's two refrigerators.
Would that not be easier just to back it up and roll
Well, really
it?
what needs to happen is it just goes back like that and you scoot, the wheels come off and you slide it down off of this onto the ground.
But are you gonna break it?
That's what I'm asking, Brighton.
Well, I hope not.
We're asking the same thing.
Get under me, pal.
Another series of proof of if Justin can actually do it or not. We're running a whole new wire so we can have water and ice. First time in how many years have we lived here?
8.
8 years. 8?
8.
Oh, wow. Wow, this fits really well.
I'm being sarcastic.
Yeah. It's not supposed to fit like that. The milk will be cold, and our drinks will be cold, and our leftovers will be cold.
They will be kept cold until they are disposed of on trash day.
Yeah. Should have slid it through.
That's what she said.
Your entire life came up to that exact moment. Alright, I need to tighten that guy down. We don't have any up here.
Oh, the junk drawer.
It's not junk. I've been using stuff here, see? Boom.
Just what you needed.
It is.
Stop.
It is.
When is there actually something good that comes out of there?
I used these too just then. I hadn't had to go down all the way to
Look
the
at that.
garage.
Alright, it's going in. Looks like he's got it under control now. So that little refrigerator was packed with stuff. And this is what we have. Like, not a lot. I mean, enough for us to get like lunch and maybe some dinner tomorrow. But this was weird that the condiments have to go like all the way at the bottom of this fridge. It's really crazy. And they don't really hold as much as our other ones did. As our other one did, as our big one did, the one that broke. I figured out the water. Right, Justin?
Yeah, but this is leaking for some reason.
You had to press it for 5 seconds, let it go for 5 seconds. Press it for 5 seconds, let it go for 5 seconds. Until water flowed.
Why is it doing that?
But it said you can't drink the water. Not yet. Like it has to flush or something. I don't know. And we also have to dump the first 3 batches of ice.
It's coming out the top. nothing's ever just...
Easy.
Yeah.
I promise, our house is not always this messy. Right, Justin?
Not for like 45 minutes of the day. Oh, that's how they do it.